Hello everyone, we're from Group 6. Before presenting the report on literature circles, please allow you to introduce yourself. My name is Muhammad Ridho Marhafiz. I'm the discussion leader. Next, Andre.
My name is Andre Pratama. I'm the summarizer.
Next, Daniel.
My name is Daniel Nugroho. I am is connector.
Next, Davis.
My name is Davis Diasara Juliana. My role is Wordmaster.
Next, Olive.
My name is Olivia Marcelianti. I'm the passage master.
Next, Ananda.
My name is Ananda Firmansyah and I'm the illustrator.
Question I had about this reading. Satu, if you could be friends with any character, who would you choose? Why? Andre.
Uh, I will choose to be friend with Margaret because she is thoughtful and reflective. Despite the challenge she faced at home, she shows responsibility and care for her family. At my house, she tries to stay strong and look after her father, even though their relationship is strained. She also saw a sense of caution as awareness, as seen when she decided about going into the basement, which showed that she is thoughtful and considered the consequence of her action.
Next, Daniel.
If I could be friends with any character, I would choose Sherlock Holmes. He is intelligent, curious, and always has a unique way of seeing the world. I imagine conversation with him would be very interesting, and I could probably learn a lot about logical and analytical thinking.
Next, Davis.
I will choose Margaret. She seems kind, responsible, and thoughtful, especially when she comforts her mom and worries about her dad. She also has a sense of adventure, but is cautious, which I think would make her a great and balanced friend.
Next, Olive.
I will choose Margaret because she seems like someone who would be a loyal and trustworthy friend.
Next, Nanda.
I'm chose Margaret because she's a reliable friend and seems to care about her family. Is quite brave, although tends to be cautious.
How do you feel after finishing the story, Andre?
After I finish the story, I feel a mix of curiosity and unease. The atmosphere in the family is tense, and there is a sense of mystery surrounding. Dr. Brewer Bestman experiment, the children's relationship with their father is distant and strained, and I feel sympathy for Margaret, who seemed to be caught in the middle of all. At the same time, the decision to explore Bestman raised question about what they might discover, and I'm left wondering how the story will develop after this moment. There's an underlying feeling of anticipation on and uncertainty as the family dynamic remains unresolved, and the curiosity about Dr. Bewer's work keeps the tension high.
Next, Daniel.
After finishing the story, I felt a mixture of tension, curiosity, and a little fear. There is a mysterious atmosphere that continues to develop, especially with the federal strict prohibition against entering the basement. The curiosity felt by Margaret, Casey, and Diani also feel real, as if inviting the reader to investigate the secret hidden there.
Next, Davis.
The part that made me feel sad was when Miss Brewer quietly asks, "Do you think he'll ever notice I'm gone?" It shows that she feels unnoticed or unimportant to her husband. I felt sorry for her because she had to leave her family while carrying that worry in her heart.
Next, Olive.
I feel scared of a part that made me feel scared was when Margaret, Cassie, and Diana decided to sneak into the basement.
Next, Nanda.
My feeling about this story are a bit tense mixed with curiosity, especially about the nature of a father who is so withdrawn and anxious, so withdrawn that he is always is the basement.
Next presentation was continued by Andre as the summarizer.
My job to write a summary of text and a summary result of the discussion. From a setting, the story takes place in Subaran home, where the Bauer family lives. The action centers around the family house and the basement, where Dr. Bauer conducts his experiment. It's a typical afternoon with a sense Anis and as a mother. Mr. Bowers prepares to leave off to conduct to her sister hospitalization and character. Mr. Bower, the mother of Cassie and Margaret. She is preparing to leave for a trip to Tuscon to visit her sick sister. She experienced concern for his husband, Dr. Bower, and her children. And two, Dr. Bower, the father of Cassie and Margaret. He is a scientist or botanist, spending a lot of time in the basement working on experiments. He seemed detached, preoccupied with his work, and barely interacted with the family. Casey, Margaret's young brother, he is deep side as somewhat immature and engrossed in watching a movie, making sarcastic remarks and teasing his sister. Number four, we have Margaret, the older sibling. She is thoughtful, concerned about her family and the dynamic of household. Margaret feels the tension in the family and reflect on the lioness of the household when her mother leaves. She also shows reluctance to explore the basement, but eventually follow her friend. 5. We have Dinah Manning, Margaret's friend. She is curious, adventurous, and loves science, which contrasts with Margaret, the, the disinterest. Diane encouraged the exploration of the basement and often challenged Margaret to take a risk. And in summary of text, Mr. Bauer is preparing to leave for the Tucson to visit her sister, who who has been hospitalized. Before leaving, she makes to remind her kids, Margaret and Cassie, to take care of their father, who has been distanced and absorbed in his work in the basement. As she hit out, she expressed concern that her husband might not even notice her absence. After she leaves, Margaret, Cassie, and their friend Diana spend time together. With Cassie ignorance in the movie, Diana suggests sneak into the basement, where their father is working on sick creative experiment. Despite Margaret's hesitation, they all go down to, to pick with Castle leading the way. As they descend into the basement, Margaret began to feel both ex- excitement and nervousness, seeing the adventure ahead. Summary after the discussion. The conversation resolved around the strained family dynamic in the Bauer household, especially the relationship between the children and their father. Mr. Bauer is concerned about her husband's emotional state and his obsessed focus on his experiment. The children, especially Margaret, feel the absence of emotional connection with their father, who is preoccupied with his work. Diana's curiosity about the basement represents the challenge to Margaret's fear, her father's anger, and this tension about as a group decides to venture into the mysterious and the forbidden space. The story touches of themes of family dynamic, emotional neglect, and curiosity, set again the backdrop.
Next presentation was continued by Daniel as the connector.
Connector. Your job is to find the connection between the story and people's experience at school or in the community, or a similar event at other times and place. Some connection I found between the story and other people experience. Diani challenged Margaret to go into the basement, and this shows the dynamic of friendship where friends often encourage each other to do things that might be risky or against the rules. A similar situation happened to my friend. His friend dared him to steal pocket money from their seatmate. The next day, his teacher caught him and punished him. In real life, this is similar to how kids in school dare each other to do things, whether in the form of games, social experiments, or even dangerous things.
Next presentation was continued by Davis as the word master.
My job is to find puzzling or unfamiliar words of phrases in the next and explain the meaning of the word. One, fretfully is dengan gelisah. Two, obsessed obsessed is terobsesi. Three, banter is canda atau timpalan. Four, botanis is ahli botani. Five, wistfully is dengan penuh kerinduan. Six, experiment is eksperimen. Seven, top secret is sangat rahasia. Eight, shrilly is dengan nyaring atau melengking. Nine, engulfed is terbenam atau tertelan. 10, linoleum is linoleum atau bahan lantai.
Next presentation was continued by Olive as the passage master.
The most interesting paragraph in the text is paragraph 14. In this paragraph, the writer begins to unravel the mystery of why his father was so comfortable in the basement and rarely ever left the room.
Next presentation Expression was continued by Nanda as the illustrator.
Illustrator. Your job is to draw a picture or poster presenting in the meaning found from the text, a sketch, cartoon, diagram, flowchart, or stick figure sense and to tell others what your picture means. Put your drawing below. The picture about tells about three grills who show curiosity about the existence of a basement, and they are also curious about their father's behavior. Why their father is so withdrawn with anxious signs he was fired from his job.